we're excited to be here and share safest African countries for retirees. And this is in a special resource that we want to offer you guys. So let me screen share. What have we got here, Mom?
Wow, this is something that's really going to help people that are really having a hard time figuring out where to go, what to do, and they're overwhelmed. This is the Epic Expat Research Guide, Life Abroad for Beginners. And this is something you really want to look into. And it's down in our link to our description. So you can just look down in that area and be able to find it. So right down in the description.
Nice.
And that'll get you started.
Thank you. That's right. So we broke it up into Africa and worldwide. These topics here, you'll see them. And so Dad is going to talk about 7 countries in Africa that are best for retirees. So this is retired escapes, 7 countries to retire in Africa, posted this year. So here we go, Dad.
So it has a nice picture of Mount Kilimanjaro there, which is a great epic place for folks to visit. The countries are listed in reverse order. Number 7, Mauritius, an island nation. Also happens to be one of the safe places to be, as a matter of fact. So retirees can come in, take a look. They have minimum requirements like $1,500 USD of monthly pension. So little things like that for you to look at. You can read it for yourself on the screen.
Nice.
Cape Verde.
Beautiful.
Look at that water.
Yeah, very
Breathtaking.
beautiful.
Portuguese is the official language. That's just something to consider. So there's number 6. Scroll on down. Number 5, another island nation, Seychelles. This is over in East Africa. Just so you know, it's got 115 islands. So something to think about there. Wow. The cost of living might be a little bit higher, but that's probably because it's an island. A lot of people go there, spend their money, but getting things from the mainland to the island, there's a cost associated with that, which causes the increase in pricing. But you also need to be well aware that if you like a laid-back lifestyle, island living is the thing. But if you need a fast pace, you may not want this. Just something to consider.
Nice. Wow.
Back to the mainland, number 4, Morocco.
Beautiful. My favorite color, blue.
It is.
Got a lot of cultural things going on there. It might require you to be flexible and adapt. You got to think about things. You got the Arabic and French influence going on there. So there's some things to think about. Healthcare is really readily available all over the place. So that's a great thing.
Nice.
Tunisia.
Nice.
Yep. So we're up in North Africa for these countries. Wow. Look at that. That view is spectacular. You got some nice beaches there, pristine beaches. Also, it touches the Sahara Desert. Number 2, Namibia. So now we're swinging down to the south part of the continent and on the west side of the continent. And we're over there in Namibia where the ocean and desert meet together for some breathtaking views.
That's crazy that
Namibia,
that Earth does that.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Namibia is coming up on a few lists here, as a matter of fact. It's not a lot of people there. It's not real dense.
Oh, that's right. Nice. Okay, check out
Meaning
Namibia.
the population is rather small. And so that's just something to consider. And then number 1 in terms of retirees, South Africa. I wonder if that's because it's most like Western countries, as a matter of fact. So something to think about.
Yeah, I can see it.
Just need a minimum monthly income that's exceeding 1,960 USD.
The healthcare, I think, is pretty good there. Yeah, that's something to think about.
We've heard good things about the healthcare as well. Yes.
They've had some changes in politics recently with the elections concluding. So do some research, find out what's going on there.
Yes, guys. And so that's why we put this together to get you started there if you're interested in South Africa or any of these other countries. So again, you can get all of that, find that Epic Expat Research Guide linked in the description. Dad, thanks for taking us through all of that. Daniel, what's coming up? We have a special offering in addition to the research guide. If you want to go a step further and you're really ready and you'd like maybe a group environment to really chart your path, what do we have coming up?
What we have coming up is our Epic Move Abroad virtual workshop. That's going to be October 4th and 6th. You're going to get all of us here with our uncensored opinions. And yeah, be there. We look forward to seeing you there.
I got a quick question for folks who viewed this video, and that is down in the comments, please let us know what was important on your list. Is it the cost of living? Is it safety? You're a retiree. Do you care about the culture changing? Or is it something that we didn't list or didn't mention? What's important to you that you're looking for?
Let us know in the comments,
Excellent.
guys. We'd love to hear from you. So with that, we're going to see y'all on the next video, okay? Be blessed. Bye for now.
Informative.
Reassuring.
Transformative.
Exciting.
Thorough.
Informative. Great experience.
Enlightening.
I bought this as a gift to myself for my birthday, and I'm happy that I did. It's been very comprehensive, encouraging, as Carla said. A lot of information, a lot to do, and I'm pretty excited about it. So thanks so much.
For me, it was very motivating. It really got me to thinking, and it enlightened me on a lot of different areas that I really hadn't thought about. So for me, I'm ready. I'm excited.
Did a great job. Covered everything. It's a lot to absorb. And I think you covered everything. So it's just a matter of really just getting your system and your plan together. That's all for me. Thanks for everything, y'all. Bradley's did a good job.
Thank you for planning out this workshop. It's been great and extremely informative. So thank you.
There's a lot here. Be encouraged, small bites, so that you're not overwhelmed. Be encouraged.
I feel that it was a very enlightening class. I've learned a lot of information and a lot of things that I hadn't even thought of thinking of. So this definitely was a good tool for me.
All right.
And, I know how I have a little action plan going on here. And I know how I'm going to move forward. And thank God for this class, because prior to coming in, I was kind of all over, didn't really know where to start or, the things that I really should focus on.
I think the workshop was very helpful. All the information about banking and about shipping